Hello and welcome. You're watching BW TV. This is BW Tech. We have Canon India CEO Nomura-san with us. Hello. My first question to you is, in the briefing, multiple times it was mentioned that India is the biggest market for Canon.
Yes.
Is that an official statement? Is India the biggest market for Canon?
It's one of the biggest big market and most focused market for Canon because of the several reasons. Of course, India is the largest population, 1.4 billion people, and people, the age of the average age of the population is only 29 years. It's very young, and more people getting richer, and the mid and the high incoming people is growing. Urbanization, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities are booming. Yeah, and infrastructure is rapidly set up due to the strong government initiative. All these factors is a strong win for India to help the growth, and we also want to take we don't want to miss the bus. So that's why we focus in India.
That population number is great for business, not so much for public transport. Yeah. When we speak about manufacturing, of course, there is the imaging and the printing divisions, which are great for business. There's also the lithography arm. Is Canon doing something? So this is like a two-parter. In terms of manufacturing, what is Canon doing in India, let's say in the next 5 years or in the next decade, when it comes to imaging and when it comes to semiconductors?
Okay, so that's interesting topics, and we will definitely share with you as and when there is something interesting to share with. And also, of course, Making India is one of the strong initiative to invite the technologies, manufacturing technologies in here, and also the employment will be generated. So this is Making India is one of the very good initiative to contribute to the society, India society.
Okay.
Meanwhile, there are some of the other aspects which contribute to the Indian society. For instance, it's a Skill India. It's a strong initiative also by government. And along with this skill development requirement, we recently opened the Skill Development Center in Delhi and Mumbai, and invite the underprivileged youth age 18 to 25 years to have basic proficiency to get employment. For instance, like IT proficiency, basic IT, English skill, and communication skill, so that they can be employed. So that's how we contribute to the society under the skill development theme. And also, we invite the apprentice to equip the skill for the printing device services, which also they can get employed after the apprenticeship.
Okay.
And also, now our focus for imaging is content creation. So we provide multiple activities so that they can equip their skill, like a masterclass training. We call it deep dive. We invite our ambassadors, renowned people, to teach them from end to end how to take the shoot and post-editing.
Okay.
So that's some of the activities we contribute to the society under the skill development.
All right. So nothing in terms of manufacturing that's on the table at the moment?
We will let you know as and when there's
Okay.
anything. Yeah.
All right. Last question. What would you say, like, again, now strictly speaking about the imaging division, what would you say is the moat for Canon at the moment when we compare Canon cameras to all the other competition in the market? Let's say Sony, Fuji, Nikon. What would you say is your moat?
Okay, so we always stay relevant to the market and listen to what customer wants. So that's the basic, because our motto is customer is always center of our mind.
Right.
So we listen to the application and use case, what customer wants, and reflect it into our product. And of course, as technology evolves, more things can be done. So the requirement or customers' creativity meet our technology, then our product comes up.
Okay. Is there a specific market share that Canon India is aiming for in this fiscal or in the fiscals to come?
Okay, so of course we are trying to capture as much market share as possible, and we are not satisfied with the current market share. And with having the excellent product like R6V this time, I'm sure, I'm confident we can gain more market share going forward.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Nomura, sir.
Thank you so much.